First, boring machine. Boring machine is used for single or small batch parts production for milling and hole drilling system. The end of the spindle box is designed with radial tool holder, can accurately boring large holes and plane. In addition to drilling, reaming and threading. Second, grinding machine with abrasive, grinding wheel, grinding belt, whetstone or grinding material, etc., as a tool on the workpiece surface machining, collectively referred to as grinding machine. Grinding machine can process a variety of surfaces, such as internal and external cylindrical surface, conical surface, flat surface, gear tooth surface, spiral surface and a variety of molding, etc. Can also for sharpening and cut off, have very wide range for process. As the grinding process easy to get high machining accuracy and good surface quality. So the grinding machine is mainly used in parts finishing, especially the hardened steel and high hardness of special materials finishing. Third, lathe machine. Lathe is mainly used for processing a variety of rotating surface and the rotating body face, such as turning internal and external cylindrical surface, conical surface, ring groove and the shape of rotating surface. And a variety of commonly used thread. With the processing equipment can also be processed a variety of special profile surface. In the lathe can also do drilling, reaming, knurling and so on. Fourth, planing machine. Planing machine is mainly used for processing a variety of planes, such as horizontal, vertical, bevel and a variety of grooves, such as T-slot, dovetail groove, V-groove, etc., linear molding surface. If equipped with copying device, can also processing of space surfaces, such as turbine impeller, spiral groove. The structure of such machines are simple, not cutting when back, so it have less productive, generally used for small single-piece production. 5. Milling machine. A versatile machine that can process flat surfaces, horizontal, vertical, grooves, keyways, T-grooves, dovetail grooves, etc., gear parts, gears, spline shafts, sprockets, spiral surface, thread, spiral groove, and a variety of surfaces. In addition, can be used for rotor surface, bore processing and cutting work, etc. When milling machine is working, the workpiece mounted on the table or dividing head, milling cutter rotation is the main movement, supplemented by table or milling head feed movement. The workpiece can get the required machining surface. Because it is multi-cutting intermittent cutting, so milling machine productivity is higher. 6. Drilling machine. Versatile machine for drilling, reaming, countersinking and tapping of parts. Boring can also be done with the machine tool on a radial drilling machine. With a universal table can also drilling and milling key groove. 7. Gear processing machine tools. Gear is the most commonly used transmission, have spur tooth, helical tooth and herringbone cylindrical gear, spur and arcuate bevel gear, worm gear and non-circular gear.